Hi guys, this is the room that I got for my quarantine for 14 days in Singapore, Furama City Central. This is the room tour. As you walk in, you get a wardrobe with iron and ironing board, and a locker too to keep your valuable stuffs in it. Moving on, this is the full room tour. The hotel room that I got for my quarantine. It was pretty decent, but you might get even better. This is the mirror. This is the washroom. Over here you get a dishwasher soap, toothpaste, detergent, body wash and shampoos. These things you need not carry with yourself. This was a bathtub. A decent washroom. This was the pantry area. You get plenty of fruit supplies and coffee. If you don't like coffee, you get Milo. This is the milk powder. This is a fridge. I got some sweets from my relatives. That is what I've kept in it. You get spoons. This is the queen size bed. You get a television for your entertainment. You get biscuits, and I even got cookies, which I ate already. This is how I got the drinking water supply in these bottles, which you can order whenever it gets over. And this is the view. My friends got even better. So talking about the food now. So in the breakfast, every morning you get coffee and milk flavored powders. This is the apple juice with no sugars added in it. It was pretty good. I chose Indian vegetarian food. Whenever you come to the hotel, you need to fill in a form in which they ask your food preferences, which you can take according to your taste. This is what I got for lunch. Again, the apple juice and salad. This was pretty yummy. And this is what I got for dinner. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.